Hi everyone, this video is about how to auto-tune your audios on Audacity. So follow me on this tutorial. I will show you how to add a plugins that helps you to add your audios. The first thing to do is to go and download this file. I will leave the link in the description and the comment. Then copy this file, go directly to Audacity through your PC, program files, then Audacity, then click on plugins, then pass the file, then right click and extract all the files on the Audacity plugins. You will have this one, and this way you can add and edit your vocals on the Audacity through Graillon 3. So this is the first part of this video, is about how to add the Graillon 3 plugins to Audacity. We have another chapter to help you how to edit your audios. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe on our channel and hit the like button.